Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this problem, Rockstar Game Online Services are unavailable right now, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on the Rockstar Games launcher easily. So first off, I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here view network connections, and now you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties. After that, you're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click use the following DNS server addresses, write on here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, you're going to click OK, and then you're going to click OK here as well. And now you're going to try to play the game, and if that fixes your issue, then you're good. But if it still doesn't, then I have a last solution for you. So the last solution is you're going to reset your Windows Firewall. So the way you can do that is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here Windows Defender Firewall. You're going to go into Windows Defender Firewall then. After that, you're going to click on to restore defaults and then just click on restore defaults here. It will restore your Windows Defender Firewall settings. After that, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up the Rockstar Games launcher and try to play GTA 5 or RDR, you'll see that your game will now work. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.